caught by the owner, so the result was she was or he was imprisoned.
Okay, thank you. So in the fourth item, who can? Yes, Miss Nokia.
Luck the bad weather, the trip was cancelled.
So the signal word?
Due to.
Yes, due to. Okay, so if you observe class, the signal word is in the first part of the sentence, right? So we can also write it in the first sentence, in the first part of the sentence, as long as yes, it identifies the cause and effect relationship. Okay, so in the fifth item, Marshall won't let me borrow his phone. So the appropriate is yes, Miss Laksan.
Since
Yes, since. Okay, so to test more your if you truly understood the topic, the cause and effect. So you are going to I am going to again to group you into two groups in which you are going to make an informative essay about legal logging. So what are the causes and the possible effects? Yes, that's what are you going to write in your informative essay. So you can write it in one sheet of paper for at least maybe 1 to 2 paragraph. If you can make paragraph. So you only have 10 minutes to do the activity. Okay, please work this. This is a good. Okay, so you consume so much time, so please, so that's it. So may I have the papers? Thank you. So I will check it myself. Okay. For our last activity, so I have prepared another activity in which you are going to identify which is the cause and which is the effect. Okay, please read this bulletin.
Sheet number 1, sir.
Note the direction.
Read each sentence below. Identify the cause and effect. Write it in the line provided.
Okay, so I have it's actually sorry. Okay, so yes, so you can do, please do the activity individually in which you are going to identify the cause and the effect and write it in the line provided since you are so you can do it in you can answer it directly. So just state which is the cause and which is effect. So you only have 5 minutes.
sir,
Yes.
where will you take this, sir?
In one half paper. Not then twice, but across twice. Okay, so much for that. How many paper?
Sir.
Yes, no problem. Okay, for last na talaga, guys. Okay, you have an assignment in which you are going this will be an individual activity assignment that will be passed tomorrow. Okay, so create an informative essay about climate change considering the cause and effect relationship. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so any